magic. So done? Okay. So now listen carefully, afterwards you can copy. There are two approaches, okay, to calculate working capital. Now this is the working capital statement which you submit to bank. Why we are calculating to submit to bank? Why we are submitting it to the bank? Why we are submitting it to bank? For funding, finance, for loan. You want working capital loan, so you have to make a statement and you have to give it to the bank. Okay, so they will fund you. Is it clear? The first approach is total approach. Second approach is cash cost approach. Okay. Now what are the assumptions here? In total cost, what is the assumption? Assumption is that first, all sales are credit sales. All sales are credit sales. If they have said you this, that all sales are credit sales, you can assume that you have to follow total approach. What you have to follow? Total approach. Second thing, total approach. Why it is called total? Debtors are valued at debtors are valued at selling price. Debtors are valued at selling price. Okay. If they say production of last year, production of last year and current year is same, and current year is same, you should follow what? Total approach. If these sentences are there, then only. Now what is the difference between the approach? In total approach, debtors are valued at selling price. Debtors are valued at selling price. We take depreciation into consideration. In cost, we take depreciation also into consideration. So it is called total. What is cash cost? See, cash cost, profit is not included. So debtor is also valued at cost. Debtor is also valued at cost. And depreciation is not considered as a part of cost. So these are two approaches. Once again, I am clarifying. What is the difference between the two approach? In total approach, debtor is valued at selling price, means profit is a part. Okay. And depreciation is also part of the cost. Wherever you are taking cost, depreciation you will take. Cash cost, only cash expenses. Not depreciation is what? Come on, tell me, depreciation is what? Non-cash, so ignore it. Cash cost. So debtors will be valued at what? Cost, at total cost. Is it clear? Okay. Here write assumption in this. You should write no depreciation. No depreciation. Okay. Here you should also write debtors are valued at cost price. Debtors are valued at cost price. That is, profit must not be considered. Profit must not be considered. Okay. Please copy this. Two approaches. Question number 13. Material 30, labor 40, overheads 80. Always check whether the total matches. Check whether the total matches. Cost per unit. 30 plus 40 plus 80. How much it is? 70, 80, 150. Oh, is it matching? Yes, it's matching. So good, great. Okay. Why I am telling you? I'll let you know in some while. Okay. Why I am saying this? Sometime it doesn't matches. At that time, you should consider that depreciation is not included. The difference is the depreciation. Okay. Annual sales is 48,000. Annual sales is 48,000 units. Credit available from supplier is 1 month. Credit available from supplier. So where this will be used? Credit available from supplier. This will be used in creditors. This will be used in, this is creditors. Okay. Inventory holding period of raw material is 3 months. Credit available from supplier is 1 month, so it is for creditors. Okay, it will be used for what? Creditors. Inventory holding period for raw material is 3 months. This will be used for raw material. Credit allowed to customer is 2 months. Where this will be used? Credit allowed to customer. Debtors, this will be used in debtors. Customer means debtors, na? Overheads are paid at a time lag of 1 month, means outstanding expense. Understand? Overheads are paid in a 1 month time lag. Wages are paid at a time lag of 0.5 month, means outstanding. Please understand, outstanding. This is liability, outstanding. Cash and bank balance estimated to be 3 lakhs. Okay. Inventory holding period for 2 months, means this is for inventory holding period for finished goods. This is for finished goods, 2 months. Now important part, calculate the amount of working capital as per financial statement. Underline. Those who, yes. So important part, calculate the total amount of working capital as per financial statement. So mark this. Working capital as per financial statement. Whenever this comes, okay, working capital as per financial statement, this is, you have to do total approach. What it shows? Total approach. Okay, working capital as per financial statement means total approach. And whenever the sentence is like this, working capital that would be required to be financed is what? Cash cost approach. Cash cost approach. Okay, please write this. Those who have textbook, they can write in the textbook. Those who have notebook, they can write in notebook. Please note this down. So this sum we have to solve. We have to solve by both the approaches. Okay, and we will solve it simultaneously. So we understand what is the difference between the two approaches. Okay, so I will make the column. Please, you also make. Come on, let's do it. Let's start. Question number is 13. Okay, statement of working capital. Statement of working capital required. I will make two columns. Particulars, working. Okay, total cost approach, cash cost approach. Particulars, working, total cost approach, cash cost approach. Okay, my dear friends, please help me out with current asset figures. See, first I will write what? Stock. Okay, in that, in stock, I have two things, raw material, I have finished goods. Please check. WIP was not given. Conversion is not given. See, I am reading out the question. There na, WIP is not given, and see, first one is what? Third line, inventory holding period for raw material is 3 months. WIP is not given. Work in process period is not given. So it is not there. And they have given inventory holding period for finished goods. That means two things are given. Okay. So how much is the units? 48,000. 48,000 multiplied by, what is the rate of material? 30. Please understand. What is the rate of material? 30 into period. What is the period for raw material? Anyone? 3 by 12. Please give me the figure. Please give me the answer. Please give me the answer. Three lakh 60,000. Here also 3,60,000. No difference. In both the approaches it will be same. Okay. Finished goods. Finished goods. What is the units? 48,000 multiplied by finished goods will be valued at cost. Finished goods will be valued at cost. What is the total cost? 150 multiplied by what is the period? 2 by 12. 2 by 12. What is the figure? 12 lakhs. The figure is 12 lakh. Okay. After stock, debtors. After stock, debtors. Debtors. Listen carefully, then you can write. Listen carefully, then you can write. Copy. Listen. Then you can copy. Listen. 48,000 multiplied by, in total approach, you will value at what? Selling price. How much is the selling price? 200. What is the period? 200. What is the period for debtors? 2 months. 2 by 12. Fourth line. Credit allowed to customer is 2 months. So answer is what? 16 lakhs. Wow. Listen. 48,000. Listen carefully. Multiplied by cash cost approach. In cash cost, it is valued at what? Cost. There is no depreciation. There is no depreciation in the sum. So the sum has become easy. Okay. Cash cost. So it is 150 into 2 by 12. How much? 12 lakhs. So I will write here in the next column, that is 12 lakhs. Now please copy. Now please copy. 48,000 into, this is the basic difference. In total approach, debtor is valued at selling price. Okay. In cash cost approach, debtor is valued at cost. Chalo, done. Copy fast. Use both your hands. Cash bank. Any other asset? Yes, cash bank. Cash bank, they are saying 3 lakhs in both the columns. 3 lakhs, 3 lakhs. From where we got? Given. From where we got? Given. Any other asset is remaining? Annual sales, credit sales from customers, creditors. It is okay. Raw material done, customer done. Overheads are paid at a lakh. Done. That is liability, that is current liability. Okay. Yes. Anything else? Outstanding will come in current liability, my dear. Okay. So what is the total? Total current assets. Total current assets. A is what? 3 lakh 60, 15 lakh 60. 20 lakh 20,000. No, that is not the figure. How it can be 20 lakh? 34 lakh. 34 lakh 60,000. 60,000. And here, next column, 30 lakh 60,000. Because 4 lakhs is less. 30 lakh 60,000. Okay, no problem. So let's proceed. Let's proceed. So next, B, current liabilities. Current liabilities. Write the heading. Creditors. Current liability, in that creditors. Current liability, in that creditors. 48,000 is a unit multiplied by what should be the rate? For creditors, the rate was not given, right? For creditors, was the rate given? Very good. The cost of raw material will only be the rate. So what is the cost of raw material rate? 30. Because from creditors what we purchase? Raw material. Understand, from creditors what we purchase? Separate rate will not be given. From creditors what we purchase? Raw material. So 30 multiplied by, what is the period? 1 by 12. Supplier's period will be given. Remember, don't take raw material period. Supplier's period will be given. 1 by 12. Can anyone help me out with the figure? What it is? 1,20,000. Wow. 1,20,000. Okay. Next. Yes, someone's favorite item. Outstanding overheads. Outstanding overheads. 48,000 multiplied by overheads. Overheads was how much? 80. 80 multiplied by, what is the overheads period? Overheads are paid at a time lag of 1 month. So 1 by 12. 48,000 into 80 into 1 by 12. 3,20,000. 3,20,000. What a great sum. Outstanding wages. 48,000 units annual multiplied by wages is 40. Wages is 40. Labor. Wages is 40 multiplied by lag of 0.5 months. So 0.5 upon 12. I hope every time I am dividing by 12. Why? Because month is given. Okay. Some people might have doubt. What is that 12? That is month. Okay. 40. 18,000. Okay. Next. 80. Okay. 80. Yes. 80. Okay. Don't be upset. We have eraser. Okay. So we can rub it. Okay. What is the total? Total current liabilities. Total current liabilities. B. 5,20,000. Okay. Here also 5,20,000. Yes. So now we will get net working capital, that is current assets minus current liabilities. Net working capital A minus B is what? 34,60,000 minus 5,20,000. How much? 29,40,000. Correct? Okay, next. 25,400. 25,40,000. Okay, no problem. Okay. So this is how working capital is done. Okay. Is it okay, guys? Yes. Hello. Thank you. Class is over. Then you are saying thank you. Then should be grateful to life. Should be. The person who expresses gratitude has a quality life. Okay.
To be continued.